had daughters as he got older. Listen and listen good. He left his father to establish a place of his own. That place is named today in Anambra State, which is currently in Anambra State in Nigeria. And again, interestingly, thank you. That one was talking nonsense. I just respect therapy. Now, listen to governing. Interestingly, there was an ongoing debate about the origin of the Igbos between the Aguleri people. A school of thought argues that Aguleri was the first son of Peru, the first son of Igbo, who migrated from Egypt with his father. See, listen. As such, Aguleri to be the original source of the Igbos race. He was staying Arochu that day. That's why I left him. That's why I left him. Okay? Did they mention the name here? Okay, if you read and go on and on, you see how the whole Igbo connect. Even that how they make mouth. This guy was arguing. I left him that day. Eri. See, if I read it, it is connected from Bible. The fifth son of Jacob, God gave birth to him. God, G-A-B. And the currently Biafran currency, we want to respect and immortalize the man. Biafran currency note is God. Don't argue it. When Biafra comes, you see it. Our coins should be Eri. 5,365 guard, so thing Eri. That's Kobo or cent. See, let me tell you, it is not good let somebody go behind you what he doesn't know. Or when you see somebody who is senior you, they go point hand. So, I had animal. They talk about that day. I live him. This guy did. Osinaro, Chubamano Boya, Boya, will come side that side. He come to talk say Naro. Where this one? Monkey. Where is it? That one said yes, yeah. He said he said na Bino. That's the way he talk him. That's the way he talk him. Britain no right him. Britain, America is the one of God. People don't see now. You are a fool. Now that I don't say you never break. You don't know.